How to fix apps automatically closing on Android. First, try force stopping the app. Launch Open App Library of your device. Find the app that is automatically closing. Long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. After you do that, tap on the option Force Stop that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option OK. After a while, open the application. Now your problem should be fixed. If not, try clearing the cache. Tap on the option Storage and Cache in the App Info interface. Tap on the option Clear Cache. Now once the cache has been cleared, the application should start working. It should not close automatically. If the problem is not solved, there might be some bugs in the application. In that case, open the Play Store. Tap on the search icon. Tap on the search bar. Search for the application that is automatically closing on your device. See the results. Find that app and tap on it. If the update option is available, tap on it. After the update is completed, the bugs within the app will be fixed. Now it will not automatically close. If the problem is not fixed, try restarting your device. There might be some glitches in the device itself. Long press on the power button. Tap on the option Restart that you can see on the screen. Your device will be restarted. The glitches will be fixed. Now try using the application. It will not automatically close. Like this, you'll be able to fix apps automatically closing on Android. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.